Magnificent home now available in Dixon Pass of Madison. This home is only 3 years young and has it all. Open split floor plan. 4 bedrooms with 3 of those bedrooms are on the bottom floor, 3 full baths. 1 bedroom and full bath is located conveniently upstairs. Formal dining room has modern light fixture and heart of pine wood floors. Kitchen features a large island with sink, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and pantry. Open to kitchen living room has heart of pine wood floors, nice corner gas fireplace with shiplap wall details above the mantel. French door in living room leads out to large covered patio that is gas plumbed for an outdoor kitchen. Wood privacy fence encloses the wide backyard. Master bedroom is nice sized with tray ceiling and lots of natural light. Ensuite master bath has barn sliding door, jetted tub, separate shower.